In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and log out of Weebly step by step. So let's dive right in and make sure you're up to speed with managing your Weebly account smoothly and effectively. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Weebly homepage. It's just a simple click or tap away at weebly.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around at Weebly's offerings, but for our purpose today, the focus is right up top in the navigation bar where you'll see the login button. Click on that to get started. Now that you've hit the login button, you'll be directed to the login page. Here is where you'll enter your credentials. Let's begin by typing in your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Weebly account to avoid any hiccups. Your email address is the first layer of security for your account, so double check for any typos. After you've completed that field, click on the next button. It's a small step, but a crucial part of inching closer to gaining access to your Weebly workspace. Now it's time to fill in your password. Carefully type in your secure password. If you ever forget it, remember there's an option to reset it right there on the page, saving you from any frustration. Once you've entered your password, proceed by clicking the login button. This should take you to Weebly's dashboard. This is your control center and the home for managing your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available on your dashboard, as it's the place you'll find essential tools and options for your website management needs. Now let's talk about logging out when you're done with your session or switching devices. While still on the dashboard, look for the My Site option, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Doing so will present a drop-down menu, and within this menu lies the Sign Out button. Clicking Sign Out is your best practice for ensuring that your account remains secure, particularly if you're accessing it on a public or shared computer. So that's it. By this point, you should be comfortably logged out and back at the Weebly homepage. Remember, maintaining good security habits like logging out when you're done helps keep